So this is how you can share your Google Docs document with pretty much anyone. And by that, they don't have to use any Google account to view and even modify the document. If you are interested in that idea, then just open the document and then go to the share button right here. And after that, you want to change the setting for the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. After that, you want to change the role from just a mere viewer to an editor. Just wait for a second. And now you have the link of the document and you can share the link to anybody. So let's copy this link. And after that, for a demonstration, I'm going to open an incognito window. And I will see the page without even logging to a Google account. I don't have to access to Google Docs or Google account. And yet, because of the document is being shared publicly and anyone with the link can view and edit the document, I have the privilege to just do whatever I want for this document. So for example, in this private window, I'm going to remove this paragraph, this table. And when you see the original document right here, it is also gone. And you can see that there is indication here, meaning that somebody is opening the document, and Google is actually not giving the name because of course I'm not logged into any Google account. Instead, it is just labeling that account or that session to be anonymous. Sometimes they're just giving you some random animal name, and you can also see the pseudo profile picture in here, but this is not a real account. This is just an indication. So yeah, basically as long as somebody have access to the link, they can collaborate with you for the document and they don't have to use any Google account. But in case you want to restrict that link again, you don't want to share a document anymore, then just go to the share menu again, and then you can change the setting from anyone with the link to restricted, and this essentially will revert your document privacy to private. And if you open this page, which I still have access, but if I do anything, it's not going to be reflected on the real document. And if I refresh the page, if I just stop the session, now it prompts me to log into Google account because again, I'm not logged in and I don't have access to this document. So that's how you can share your Google Docs document with anybody.